Hello friends, I'm your friend Chetan Tigaya and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical Help Ras, and today I'm going to tell you about a problem in Samsung's freezer. Yes, man. The water is not coming out and is accumulating inside. I'm going to tell you that in this water the water that has filled in this tray, the water that goes down and then goes to the back side of the tray, that water is falling inside. Due to which the water is accumulating inside the fridge. So we will clear it. To clear it, let's see, the hole inside it is not closed, so let's take a wire or something for it. We can see that the bucket is full of water. Now we will remove the tray from the back. There were people on both sides. We removed them. So friends, in this we need a pipe that can be used to clear the pipe that has been choked. So we have taken this wire. Let's see if it can be cleared with the help of this wire. We will put this wire inside this. The wire is going inside the pipe. No. He lived the way. So friends, the trash in it got pliers. The garbage has come down. Let's see what happens next. To see if it worked or not. We have to check it then see if it worked. Problem solved. We have removed the trash. Let me put the wire from the back again and see if the wire comes to the top or not. We didn't check it before. Let's put wires in it again. Let's look at the front side. We'll see you later. Bye. I got that. He hasn't come up yet. The wire we are putting inside the pipe has not come up yet. Now it is clear. We can clear it in this way. Now the pipe will be choked and the water in the tray will start falling in the freezer. So friends, in this way we can clear it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. If you have any other problem with the fridge, please let us know. Thank you. Friends, at the end of the video, we tried to put the wire from the front and we put the wire from the front. So he went out.